Yeah,
Girl, it's alright, I'm a hoe too. Just got a bag, I'm a blow through. I need some space in the O2. And I get the shit that you go through. It's probably my fault if I ghost you. I push away people I'm close with. Or stand on and stand out on no shit. Yeah, we took a pic and I posted. I remember the blog.
Wait, so what's going on? You gotta fill them in. What's going on?
So, guy hit me up, actually wants to trade cars. It's a Volvo, really old Volvo. And this car is a little expensive to fix. I told him what was wrong with it, and he was still down. He's coming, so we're gonna start this bitch, make it to the destination of where we're trading, and we're gonna hope that homeboy makes it to his destination.
And this is all with a fingers crossed, you know, like this is probably the best option this man has gotten with a running reliable Volvo. Bipolar, bro, at all?
Yes. Very. She's getting warm. We're gonna turn her off. She's getting warm, but we're gonna turn her off. Yeah, dude, I'm waiting.
Wait for the Volvo.
I'm waiting to see some fucking shitbox pull up, bro. You guys are gonna be like.
What is this shit, man?
What?
What is this?
Dude, why do you gotta do that? Like, you know, I just traded my car for a shitbox.
Bro, what even is this?
It's a 240 DL.
This is a clown car at this point.
Literally. Ow.
Hell yeah.
All it needs is a clown horn.
Nothing
I'm
for
still
me.
tweaked on this.
How does this? What's a golden quarter?
Fucking love this. Love this shitbox.
I want a
Yes?
hamburger.
Are you gonna buy me a
Hamburger. I want a hamburger.
yeah, hamburger?
A hamburger.
Yeah.
A cheeseburger?
Burger. I want a cheeseburger.
Yeah.
Thank you for choosing McDonald's. What can I help you?
We want a cheeseburger.
I'm sorry?
Why? Why?
No?
That'll be it.
Alright, have your $4 after the food. Thank you.
Amazing.
Stop taking my fucking
I
drink.
really thought,
Why do you keep taking my
I
fucking
thought
drink?
someone was on the roof.
Give me my, you meth head. Give me my fucking
I
drink.
thought someone was.
All right,
on the
you
roof.
fucking crackhead. Give me my drink.
I can.
Yo, can you?
Drake's Dr. Pepper?
Yo.
Drake's Dr.
Yo.
Pepper?
Yo.
I
Is
think
Drake's
Drake's
favorite
Dr. Pepper.
drink Dr. Pepper?
Drake? Probably would drink sweet tea.
Sweet tea. I think he's a Dr. Pepper kind of guy.
Sweet tea. I think he's a sweet tea kind of guy.
I think all the toxic people love DP.
I think Drake's a dick kind of guy.
Deep
I don't
penetration.
what? Deep penetration. What? Wow. This is getting very
Is
sexual.
that what DP
No,
stands
it's
for?
double. It's double.
Keep-
I was about to say
Double.
it's double penetration, not
Double.
deep. That's what DP
Alright,
stands
first off,
for.
how do you know this shit?
What do you mean? How I know this shit?
How do you-
He gets
you know this
penetrated.
shit?
How do I know this
Yo,
shit?
why do
Yeah,
you
because
think
you
you're
brought it up
tired?
first. So really, the real question is
I
how do you
said
know
the
this
wrong
shit?
thing.
No, you fucking yeah, you're weird. You're a little
Then I
fucking
corrected myself.
dirty girl.
DP, Dr. Pepper, these weirdos. Got cheeseburgers in the bag with napkins. Who wants a cheeseburger?
How many did you get?
I got a cheeseburger for Dodie.
Oh, thank you.
I got a
You want some French fries?
cheeseburger for Anthony.
Hey, you want some French fries?
French fries? French fries?
You got me a cheeseburger.
I'm so down for Frenchies. Oh, no way. Man's got a large?
Offering some dessert because you got me a cheeseburger.
He's got a large fry? I'm so gonna munch.
My beer.
I got a chicken sandwich. No way. Wait, did I pay for 2 chicken sandwiches or did she give me 2 chicken sandwiches? Oh, I did. Because she said, do you want the 2 for chicken? The 2 for chicken. I forgot about the 2 for chicken.
Yes, I am.
Why do you want me to come
I got
sit
the
in there?
whole
All
wallet.
people. There's 4 people in this fucking
Oh,
car.
I
You
kind of
want
need
me-
that.
And you have a card for every one of your bitches?
Like you just.
Yes. We balling out here. You haven't got bitches,
Balling
got
where?
money.
The fucking basketball court?
As Zeb, I'm not wrong.
My bad.
About what?
He went out of there's 4 people in his car and he keeps wanting just me to go sit in that car and I told him straight up, I was like, bro, you really just want to use me for my wiener and I know it. And he,
Oh my God!
like,
We
bro,
had
you just
chicken.
use me for my wiener when I'm with you and I'm kind of tired of it.
Bro,
We need
you're my main, so I only fuck with you because of the cheeks, not because you're wiener.
Oh.
Nah, but
damn.
that's
How long have I been trying to get them cheeks for?
The
wiener.
Cheeks making him go dumb.
ABC backwards.
XW.
What?
T.
Oh my god, I'm so sorry for doing that because I couldn't even do that. Not one bit.
I don't know.
Whoa.
TXYWZ.
You want a milkshake? Yeah, it sounds like my cat when he has a hairball.
I'm just trying to ride my bike from 5 years ago. My mom thought I was a girl, but it turned out I was a guy, and she fucked up and bought me a girl's bike. Oh! Apple, sponsor me. I need a new phone.
Yeah,
Oh, here, have a rough.
I got the teas though. Sponsor me, Arizona.
Yeah, we gotta get some tea up in here.
I found that.
Oh shit.
Hard, holy shit. He's got his wallet. He doesn't know where he left it. He ain't gonna find that shit.
You're not finding it, though. Well, think about it. For 99 cents, we just got entertained by a tweaker.
Oh yeah, most definitely.
Why do motherfuckers do this? Like, don't y'all just hate when motherfuckers like to sit next to each other? Like, I'm trying to pass you.
They probably fucked their cousins.
Hold the fuck up, bro.
You slimy dog.
Who's
You
doing
slimy
this shit?
fucking dog. God damn it.
Bro.
You slimy fucking dog.
Who did that?
No way. Who's a fucking I did it scandal? We have to show her the rest of them.
I know.
Who's doing this? No, we don't know who's doing this.
That was in my back seat. You guys were in the back seat.
No, we're gonna show you what the fuck we're talking about.
I don't get it.
You will get it, and I am so down to show you. Like, scandalous. A sticker
It
scandalous.
says, I did that.
What?
Bro, I'm so
He doesn't
serious.
even get it.
No, like,
I don't get it.
bro, when we get to this,
anything, I get exactly what's going on.
what's going on?
Brain cells. .exe
Yes.
left the chat.
All right, sticker bandit. Yes, yes, indeed, I am. That's the sticker, bro.
My dad put that on my car.
That's the sticker, bro.
Oh wait, so my dad did that? My dad was in your car?
What?
Oh my goodness.
What?
I'm so confused. No. Also, who put the sticker on your car?
I don't know now. I'm kind of confused myself.
Bro, same one, bigger. And the other one's just a little bit bigger, bro. Pop the gas. I want you to pop the gas tank on this one.
This turn?
Yeah, pop the gas tank. What is that?
Who did that?
South Park vibes.
Oh, fuck. Kenny?
Pointed at you is a warning that you're in violation of the rules, and your car will automatically be stopped for 5 seconds. If a black flag is waving,
Are we supposed to hop in right now?
pull into the pit lane.
I just asked you guys the second call, the $750 $1 the $750 ticket, these are 14 tracks, not even a humble.
No, it looks like a do-rag.
So the Johnson of Rocky between Trevor the Bears. Use the brakes on time to turn to fun, rises down.
The pedals can be adjusted by pushing the button on the steering column. The pedals are spring-loaded and will slide towards.
Amish people don't have.
In the roar.
That would have been a sick ass shot. Whoa, what is that? That's the Volvo, bro. This is so gay. This is so gay. Fucking faggotry. What the fuck? What the fuck? Look at the sunset. Mother Earth. Mother Earth. Not faggotry. Mother Earth is beautiful. Beautiful. I would fuck that wife. Oh my god. Jesus. I praise the Lord. What the fuck? I'm low-key a little tired. I'm not gonna lie. When you bust as many nuts as I do.
Harassing me about it. I'm not a scooter boy.
I can do it on a bike all day long. So I think it's just the same concept with the scooter, right?
Oh, okay. Okay.
Go, brother!
Oh, okay.
I didn't know it was like that. Oh, shit.
It's a V8.
V8, had me all day.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.